Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Unconditional love from never dissing a drug, and occasionally a little bit of licking my cuss. Someone twisting them up, pass the lighter, let's get higher. Fuck a suit and tie, wear whatever, homie, fuck a tire. I consumed, I was a buyer, but now I'm just a supplier of good music for critics and fans. It's fucking tired of people who rapping without a passion just for the fame. Misconstrued views of the rap game, and you're to blame. And no, we ain't the same, homie, stop comparing us. I was never handed stuff and never had no parent fun. Artists selling out, but I still got my parent nuts. I'm in it for the fucking love, y'all in it for a couple bucks. And from the ground up, I gain anticipation by keeping the people waiting and constantly dropping bangers for those looking up to me. It's hard to say that comfortably, cause I'm just a kid myself, but that shit is truly humbling. Same people mumbling, used to have a lot to say. A couple radio plays and your people think you're on the way and think you're on the move. Truth is, when I'm in the booth, I'm Jack the Ripper on the loose. You're more the Fiddler on the roof. And if that's a poor analogy, I'm sorry, but I'm high. I mean, I'm allergic to sour D. This shit is making my eyes red. When you think real rap, you better think high res. Same shit, different day. Same click, same whip, different haze. We still the same ones we was from the start. The same passion, same heart, and we never gon' change. Same shit, different day. Same click, same whip, different haze. We still the same ones we was from the start. The same passion, same heart, and we never gon' change. Same shit, different day. I used to pick up pennies, now I tell her keep the change. Writing the book of life, every day I turn the page. Always killing the stage, stop asking about my age. Don't even think about asking if you can hit this thing. Get to know who I am, don't worry about who I am.